In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple colors to text in Canva. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. Let's go over to text here and come over to adding a text box, but I'm just going to pick up the style. And here I'm going to paste in my text. And let me pull back this in a little bit. Click out. Take this to the center. Now to add multiple colors to this text, you see the text box is highlighted. You can just easily go to colors here and scroll down. I have a lot of colors in this document. You can see that you can add a gradient color, giving it a blend of colors. If this is not what you're aiming for, you want to add colors to individual text, let's go back to colors and change this color. And here you're going to select the text, just select it and add the color you want to add to each of the text, depending on how you want to add color. You see what I'm doing? You can add different colors you want to add to the text.